A delightful morning to all of you. My name is Chris Kumar of class 3rd and today I talk about my favorite subject and why I like it. My favorite subject is English. It is very easy to learn and write. I like reading a story and a poem from my English textbook. English is a subject that help me in writing skill. I enjoy writing easy. Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you, respected teachers, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Veer Pratap Kumar from class 4. Today my topic is discipline is essential force and presently. Discipline play an important role in our life. Discipline is
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Altama Sansari from class 4. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of discipline in a piece of place where discipline is very important in rule in life. Discipline cannot life success. In discipline open door in great man. Thank you. First of all, a very warm and pleasant morning to one and all present here. This is Ayan Ahmed from class 4. Today I deliver a short speech on the topic of discipline. Discipline is essential for peace of prosperity. Without discipline cannot success in life. Discipline is a key of a door that make us a great person. That's all. Thank you. A very warm and all present here. This is Ghanshyam Kesari from Standard 3rd. I delivered a speech on the topic of discipline. Discipline is a discipline, peace and personality. Thank you. A very warm and pleasant morning to all present here. This is Umang Patel from grade 4th. I want to a golden opportunity to share my experience on the topic of discipline. Discipline is essential for peace and prosperity. Science is a discipline is a foundation life. It is the word discipline is very powerful. That's all. Thank you. Very good morning to all of you, respected principal, teachers, students and other staff members, school present here. My name is MD Rehan Ryan from Standard 4th CBSE Competitive School. Today my topic is discipline is essential for peace and personality. Discipline play an important role in our life. Discipline means to follow the rule in our life. Discipline it is the key of such in life. Discipline is
improves our personality. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning. Before I start my thought, I would like to thank higher official for giving an opportunity to share my thoughts. I am Arhan, on behalf of student committee member. Today I am standing before you to talk about discipline is essential for peace and prosperity. As every person in the world want to be succeed in life, for it to desire consequence are peace and prosperity. To the most powerful weapon is discipline. When get you motivated then you do much on the first time. In the time is spent motivated is the subsequently. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
First of all, very good morning to all of respected teachers, principals and all my dear friends. Myself, I am Nathalie from class 4. Today my topic is that discipline is essential for peace and prosperity. Discipline plays rules in our life. Discipline is a means of follow to rules in our life. Discipline improves and our personality. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Vivek Kumar. I read in class 3. Today I deliver speech on the topic, my topic of discipline. Discipline is the important of our life. It is essential for school students. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you to higher official for giving me this opportunity to say something on this stage. Good morning to all present here. This is Aditya from Standard 4. Want to talk about this topic is also known as the first step of success are very important in our life. That is, discipline is essential for peace and prosperity. Discipline is key to success in our life. It helps us stay focused, work hard and achieve our goals. Without discipline there would be choose and nothing would be organized. Discipline brings peace by teaching self-control, respect for others. It's manage others at home, in school and in society. Discipline, prosperity, hard work and time management, patience. These qualities help a people success in studies, careers and life. So let's make a discipline a habit and make better future for in our life. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Discipline, a very warm and pleasant morning to one and all present here. This is Ata Ahmed from Standard 4th. Today I got to share my thought on the topic of discipline is essential for peace and prosperity. Discipline is foundation life. It is key to personal growth, societal harmony and national progress. Without discipline there is chaos. With the chaos there is no peace. Discipline is the powerful thing that allows discipline. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you respected teacher and all my dear friend. My name is Gulshan Kumar from class 3, class 4. My topic is discipline essential for good eating. Discipline that discipline that play. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal, and all my dear friends. My name is Ayush Kumar, Standard 3. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of displaying the sanctity for peace in the world. Displaying in the no success of life. It is one the greatest the no for the greater man. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, all my dear friends. My name is Vittu Kumar. My topic is the displaying in essential from piece of purpose. Displaying play important in our life. Displaying is the sources in the life. Displaying is the student in our discipline in the student in very in life. It teach us to know the following in rule. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teachers, principal, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Ardo Sikriwal. I am reading class 3. Today I am here to deliver short speech on the topic of discipline is essential for peace and prosperity. Discipline is play a very important role in our life. Without discipline cannot success in life. The key of success a great man. That's all. Thank you.
So first of all, a lovely sweet evening to 1% here. This is Ronak Singh, standard class 3rd. Today my deliver speech on the topic of discipline is the essential for peace and process. Discipline is a rule a school, college, etc. A school is discipline is a very important. Life is a thank you.
Discipline is fundamental rule of everyone life. It is rule of life. Discipline is essential for our life. Discipline play a success our Discipline means following rules and being responsible. When we are disciplined, we do listen to teachers and parents. We share with our friend, take turns. We do keep our school clean, and discipline is very important. Discipline when thank you.
Discipline is very important in our life. Discipline is not rules. It is about.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal, and all my dear friends. My name is Roshni Kumari from class 4. Today I am delivering short speech on the topic of discipline. Discipline is essential for peace and personality. Discipline is
not.
Good morning to all of you. My dear respected principal, teachers, students, and other staff members. This is school. My name is Sahiba Parveen from Standard 4th CBSE Competitive School. Today my topic is discipline. Discipline is essential for peace and property. Discipline is the one of the first few lessons that we learn about our as children. This means living your life with that's a thank you, Minister. Good morning everyone, my name is Jagti Patel and I am here today to talk about something super cool. The discipline is essential for peace and prosperity. Discipline is also leads to prosperity, hard work, time management, to this patience the help succeed in studies, the success in throughout the scientist, authors of all. Thank you, have a nice day.
Very present warm. Good morning to all present here. This is Amira from Standard 4, student of CBSE Competitive School. Today I want to talk fishing topic is discipline is essential for peace and properties. Discipline play a very important role in our life. Discipline is a very important in our daily life. Without discipline, we cannot live a successful life. That's a thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, everyone. Today I want to take you discipline is essential for peace and properties. Discipline means following rules. Discipline in following rules, doing responsibly and things on time. Discipline is for example, we study hard and finish. Discipline is this help us learn and do well homework. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning. My name is Ansika from Standard 4th. Today I deliver short speech on topic discipline is essential for personality. Discipline is about our discipline is our rigid rules. It's about our inner strength. It is complex bring to the feeling. And discipline is very important for student in our school. And discipline it's the about confidence, strength and the student. Thank you. Have a nice day.